Didn't I break you in the last episode? Quantum ornament. Oh, fuck, it's 10 health. You eat that. There we go. Hey guys, Uncle here. So, last time, I died. And I lost a bunch of stuff that I could have used that was useful. Yeah, I'm gonna get some more boom plorts. You guys eat meat, right? Yeah. Yeah. And some more boom plorts to get some Gordo. Get some of those Gordos. And I'll pick up all this as well because I tried to pick up the last episode, but I couldn't because I was already full. Alright. So you guys eat that, give me some plorts. And what do you guys eat? This cat has vegetables? Yeah, these cat has vegetables. So you eat those. Ow! Don't want to get blown up. I'm about to fucking die. Can we cool it on the fucking house parties? Jesus. Ow. Might need a plort collector for these guys. Ow. Oh, fucking 10 health. You eat that. There we go. Yeah. I need a plort collector. Okay. So I'll collect your plorts. And the food you didn't eat for some reason. I want your poop. Weren't there more of you? I feel like there are more of you. Yeah, there were not 4 of you, there were like 6. Where'd the rest of you go? Alright. I mean, yeah, I got 8 plorts, but there's like 4 of them. Okay. I'm gonna figure that out later. Plort collector. Okay, I only buy 1. I'm gonna buy for these guys first because they're more dangerous. So yeah, now I think you got stuck at the plort automatically, and then I can collect them from here. Yeah. Alright. Enough. Okay. Right. Guess I'll go off exploring there again. I want to buy a jetpack. How much does it cost? $300. Okay. 350, I guess. But yeah, I can get 350 easy. With all the plorts from this area, which are pretty much not in the source. See? Plorts already. Blech. There are a lot of fucking plorts here. So, wait, the slime just roll and they poop all the time? Oh, I got a chickadee. Alright, cool. I want chicks, I wanna get as many chickens or hens as possible. Ah, there we go. I need to get some water as well. To fight the fucking tar! Who's already here! Where are you? There you fucking are. Bastards. I hear the music, where are you? Okay, you're gone. Cool. No, you're not. You're not gone at all. Stop becoming a tar! Good lord! Oh, what the fuck? There are so many of you! Lots of you bastards! Stay away! They're protected. I'm the protector. I get there, you go through me. Ooh, gems. That's water and death. Have I been here? This is my first encounter with the tar, I think. Yeah. This is my first encounter with the tar, okay. Got some water. Don't think I've been here. I have not been here. Okay. Maybe I have actually. This is where I encountered the big one, isn't it? Yeah, I encountered the big pink guy. Unless... I'm so nervous I'm gonna walk off the fucking side. Okay, so yeah, that's slime key. I think I get that one from the big rock guy. And then, yeah. Are they called Largos or... I think they're called Largos. There's a word for like... Okay, so you get the slime, which is normal size. Then you get the... you got Largos, which are the enormous ones. You got ones in between, which like crosses between. You've seen like pink rocks and pink rock for their hair, pink rock slimes, and the boom tabbies and all that stuff. Those, I think they're called Gordos. Yeah, you got Gordos and Largos, and you got slimes, just normal slimes. But maybe not. Maybe I have to feed the tabby, or just saw, but I can't seem to find a way over to. Or I just walked past it and not realised. Yeah, I literally walked past you. And the tabbies eat meat, right? Yeah. Okay, well, I can get rid of these because I'm growing them at my house. And just go around here gathering chickens. Oh, fucking tars. No, I saw you. I saw you. Don't you fucking run away from me. Come back here. Die, bitch. I got you a hen. Eat me, damn it. Or to eat it right in your mouth. There we go. You just walked to the side. Oh, another chicken. No, I don't want the... No, I want the fat. I hear slimes. Where are tars? There you are. You're a big fat bastard. feel like I'm playing a first-person shooter now. Oh, that's so cute. I need as many of them as I possibly can. Which means you are not eating them at all. But the hens, those you can have. I'd prefer them if I had them. It's like I've eaten the giant tabby slime. Is there an area over here? Ooh, it's one of these. Treasure pod. Oh, fuck. Okay. Now I know to come back here when you need stuff. I'm gonna go back to home, cash in these plorts, maybe collect some more plorts on the way. If I could. What do you guys eat? Fruit. I hear ya. I hear ya. I see ya, fuckers. Come back here. Ain't eating crap today. Meal's over. Meal time's over. Ow. Eat. Ah, you son of a bitch. Why are you so angry at me? Ugh. Ah. Probably gonna die like another 5 times in this game. Oh, I got some phosphor plorts. They're cool. I think I can buy like a oh wait, I'm not getting like any phosphor plorts or anything like a solar shield, because apparently there's an area you can buy, which is a cave, which means you don't need to pay for the solar shield, so you can just put the phosphors in there, or anything else that is affected by sunlight in there. And I think it's a good thing. There's the whole area here to them. Chicky chicks. You guys haven't been fed in a while. Here, have some carrots. Ah, I have to put your faults away before I can get any more. Right, cool. I forgot I was working towards jetpack. So, yeah, I went to St. Martin today. Pretty cool. I mean, I advise going. It's a pretty cool place to go and walk around. I mean, it's not like the everyday average artwork. It's different. Okay, Largos, which means that the other ones are called Gordos, yeah. Okay, I can pay a fence upgrade, but I can't afford it. That's fine. Sleep till morning. I change my house. It's kind of bare. Or I do that in the previous episode. Now I can't change it back. Aw. Can't change it back. It sucks. Or change it to something new. What is this area? The Overgrowth. The ranch's very own wild side. Okay. Which one costs the least? Oh, I also found that the area over there, I think, is down there, or is it down here? How'd you get out? Okay, one of these areas has a little waterfall area, and that's where you put the power forts. Yeah. So, yeah, I guess my task for this game, because I always have a task for some reason. Oh yeah, you guys still want your stuff, don't you? Oh, God. I can do that. I can fucking do that. Yeah, I can do that. I have the many chickens. I'll just collect everything and see what I can do now and work towards the rest of it later. Elder Hen. How did I not discover that yet? It's the ones in my pen. Oh yeah, because I haven't been doing anything with these guys. Maybe like... They want 6 roosters and 60 went 6. I don't know, you want 1. You want 6 of these guys though. Yeah. Elder Hen I'll feed to you. Stop blowing me the fuck up. I'll rush you back in here because you're... all grown up. Hey chicks, man. Okay, I got a tally for it. My back hurts. I'm carrying a camera around all day. Probably why. I'm literally recording this at 5 o'clock, and I've been carrying a camera around all day. So if you can't tell, my back is killing me. You guys are... I need more chicks. Chickadoo. I don't know what the other one's called. There's another type of hen I can get. I don't know what it's called or where to find it. Is it you? I hope it's you. I'll just grab you anyway. I need more chickens. I should have threw the pink for it. It says tabby ones here. Oh, no. You give me some tabby fruit so you can have the carrot. Yeah! Okay. Back to my house. must find my home. I have no idea where it is. I feel like playing Minecraft again. Build an amazing house, I have no idea where it is. 30 minutes later I go exploring for more caves to find iron and some shit. How did I get 5? What are they called? So you got roosters and hens, and there's this. I don't know what this is though. I haven't had time to give them that crap. Oh wait, aye. Oh, that's how it works. Nice. Nothing more, okay. Okay, so now I know how stuff works. Still got no idea where to find fucking chickens though. I can buy a jetpack now, nice. I mean, next time we can explore more areas. Jetpack. Yeah! Jetpack, baby! Oh, that's cool. Okay. Hey guys, if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment down below, subscribe for more Hoochie guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Yes, I know I'm trying to do 2 videos today. I'm trying something new. Don't pressure me. Just go with the flow. The hell is this? Oh, it's installation. Okay, never mind. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.